Here is the conditions that on depending on that the station workstation 2 will work. Here P2 is for presence sensor at workstation 2, and uh, if P2 is true and not L2, that means there is no pallet inside the workstation. Then the program enter into the loop for every pallet. I mean, it starts from 0 and it goes up to 4. That means for total 5 pallet. If it checks that if it has not visited workstation 2 already, and it isn't present in workstation 1 right at the moment, or not present in workstation 3, that means it's present at workstation 2. And then S2 turns true. That means the pallet enter the workstation, and then L2 uh, turns true. That means the workstation is not empty anymore. When L2 turns on, then at the same time BA2 mm, BA2 turns false. That indicates that board available signal is off. Mm, Then at the same time uh, spellet dot be present in ws2. This is a this is a property for every palette that's created in array. So for then it turns true. That means it's now present in the mm, workstation. At the same time, it shows a message that palette in the workstation 3 and being processed. So it's become easy to understand by seeing the message where the palette is being processed, or it's in the conveyor or not. Okay. And at the same time, here is the condition. When S2 turns true, the same time the timer goes on, and it senses the peak pulse of S2. That means it turns on for 5 seconds. By this time, the pallet is been processed in the workstation, and at this time the message shows pallet uh, in workstation, and it's now being processed. So um, mm, uh, and at the end of the process, it says the process finished. And after the process is finished, it says after the process finished here, and another timer turns on. It says the timer for pallet to move in conveyor, and when it's turned on, after 3 seconds, it says moving to the next workstation. Let's see if it's working as I described. Okay, now turning this value on. Okay, this message should show 3 value if all the procedure are correct. First pallet in, then after 5 seconds uh, the pallet turned on. Process finished, and then it will show moving to the next workstation. Okay, let's see if it's happened. The timer is turned on, and now it shows pallet. Then it says processing finished in workstation 3. Then it says moving to the next workstation. If the condition are false, then S2 turns into false, and at the end of the loop, or even if the process is finished in the workstation, then also the S2 and L2, those turns uh, off. So now if let's say in this case this is P2 is false. Let's say in this case it will not enter the station, and the message should show moving to the next station. Okay, see, it says here moving to the next station, and at this moment uh, S2 is fault. That means it didn't pick any pallet and board available. This whole process is also true for the workstation 3. The procedure for working workstation 1 is almost same, but here it has to check a few more value, like if it's visited in workstation 3 and workstation 2. That means those two will be true, and it's not present in workstation 2 and not present in workstation 3. So in this case, as the previous part, this value will turn on. The only difference is that Mm, after a few after 5 seconds, it will show that palette has been removed, because this value will turn on, and if this value turn on, that means if the palette removed from the station, then this message shows up. Mm, let's see. Now palette is in workstation and being processed, and after 5 seconds removed from the workstation shows. Okay.